Okay, so it's sewn, as you can see. The good news is I've had reasonable success in getting the gophering to align. I think that works quite well. I think it's going to be okay. The really unfortunate bad news is I noticed as I was recompiling this, the block that's actually incomplete. There's a signature missing here. Look at gathering. 16 pages, I think. That's 72. That's 8 pages, forgive me. 72 leaps to 82. It's probably been missing for hundreds of years. The original text block was cross-stitched and stuck together. So I don't think these pages fell out recently. I think it was probably before the last restoration, to be honest. But it's kind of desperately sad because there are precious few of these little books still in existence. So to find that this guy's incomplete really isn't great. So anyway, I'm gonna glue in the fabric now, and then leave it to set overnight, and then we'll be in a position to add the boards and the pigskin tomorrow. It's a little bit dispiriting though. Look, on the bright side, this book's 500 years old, and once we're done here, it'll be set fair, admittedly in incomplete form, to last for, who knows, maybe another 500 years. No reason why not. Which at the end of the day is the only purpose of this. It's to preserve history for future generations so that we don't painfully have to reinvent it. So this cloth will just, once this dries out, this cloth will actually become kind of the backbone of the book. Obviously these cords will obviously do the majority of the work in attaching the boards, but it's really the glue that does the hard work, really keeping the whole thing together as one book. And it was the glue that clearly failed previously. Yeah, it's just one of those things. But still, look at it this way, it's a privilege to be able to work on something so old and so rare. You have my word, when we're done here, this book will look truly magic. Now, while it's in this form, I'm going to give it a tap on the top, tap on the floor edge. Oops, make sure the cord is out of the way. And That's how we make sure that the gophering is as prominent as it reasonably can be, like so. And then we now leave it to dry.